nice to meet you again. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you for asking. I'm excited to practice English with you. What would you like to talk about today?
Well, can you give me the topic to talk today? Don't give the difficult topic and don't give the topic we talked a lot of times ago.
Of course. How about we talk about your favorite ways to relax after a long day?
No, we talked about it a lot of times ago, so can we share now? Please,
Sure, we can switch topics. Let's talk about your favorite type of music and why you enjoy it.
Yes, well, my favorite music is pop music because pop music helps me feel relaxed after a long day.
That's cool that pop music helps you relax. Who are some of your favorite pop artists?
Well, I think there are a lot of, so I can't remember. Can you give me an example, please?
Sure. Some popular pop artists include Taylor Swift, Ariana Grande, and Ed Sheeran. Do you like any of them?
Yes, well, I like Taylor Swift because he makes music very easy.
Taylor Swift is a great choice. Her songs are very catchy and relatable. Do you have a favorite Taylor Swift song?
Yes, well, I really like to listen all of his music.
That's cool that you enjoy all of her music. Taylor Swift has a very diverse discography. Have you ever been to one of her concerts?
No, I don't because I don't have money, and I sometimes go outside.
I understand. Concert tickets can be expensive, and it's not always possible to go even if you want to. Maybe someday you'll get the chance.
Yes, of course. Well, I think one day in the future, I will, I will get it.
That's a great attitude to have. I'm sure you'll have a fantastic time when you do. Besides concerts, what other things do you like to do in your free time?
Well, I think I always watch TV when I have free time. What do you think?
Watching TV is a classic way to relax. What kind of shows and movies do you enjoy?
I always enjoy. I always enjoy cartoons like Doraemon.
Doraemon is a classic. What do you like about it?
Well, I like all about it. I really like Doraemon's gadget because Doraemon gadget is really funny and is really useful.
Doraemon's gadgets are definitely a highlight. They're so creative and imaginative. If you could have any of Doraemon's gadgets, which one would you choose?
Well, I will choose. I will choose anywhere door.
The Anywhere door is a classic. Where would you go with it?
Well, I will go around the world because I always like about that.
That sounds like an amazing adventure. If you could visit any country in the world, where would you go first?
I will go to Singapore or Japan.
Both Singapore and Japan are amazing places. What attracts you to those countries?
I really like its food and cultures because cultures and food are my favorite when I was a little girl.
That's a great reason to visit Singapore and Japan. Both countries have rich cultures and delicious food. Have you tried any Singaporean or Japanese dishes before?
No, I don't because I can't travel to this country.
I understand. Traveling to other countries can be expensive, and it's not always possible. However, there are many ways to experience different cultures and cuisines without leaving your home country. Have you ever tried cooking any Singaporean or Japanese dishes at home?
Yes, but sometimes I make it because I don't have free time, and I think sometimes I can eat this food with my friends or my family.
That's a great idea. Cooking with friends and family can be a lot of fun. What's your favorite dish to make?
Well, I always like to eat pizza or pasta.
Pizza and pasta are always a hit. Do you prefer making your own or ordering takeout?
I always like to making my own because I can have more free time and I can have more memories with my family.
That's wonderful that you enjoy cooking with your family. It's a great way to bond and create lasting memories. What's the most memorable meal you've cooked together?
We always like to cook some soup or some pizza.
Soup and pizza are both great choices. Do you have a favorite type of soup or pizza to make?
Yes, I really like to make
Making your own pizza from scratch is a fun and rewarding experience. What kind of toppings do you like on your pizza?
I always like sausage or some cheese.
Sausage and cheese are classic pizza toppings. Do you prefer a thin or thick crust?
I think I prefer thick crust because it's my favorite. What do you think about that?
Thick crust pizza is definitely hearty and satisfying. It's a great choice for a family meal. Do you have any special techniques or ingredients you use to make your pizza extra delicious?
No, I don't because my mother make pizza, so I don't know any.
That's wonderful that your mother makes pizza for you. It's always special when someone cooks for you with love. What's your favorite thing about her pizza?
I think my favorite thing about pizza is cheese.
Pizza is a classic comfort food. Cheese is a classic pizza topping. What kind of cheese do you like on your pizza?
Well, I like all the cheese because all the cheese are really sweet and I think it's my favorite. Can you tell me more about cheese, please?
Cheese has a rich and complex flavor profile, ranging from mild and creamy to sharp and tangy. The texture can vary as well, from soft and spreadable to hard and crumbly. There are countless varieties of cheese, each with its own unique characteristics. Would you like to hear about some specific types of cheese?
Yes, of course. I really like to hear that, but now it's time to say goodbye.
I completely understand. I've enjoyed our conversation about pizza and your family. Perhaps we can explore different types of cheese next time. What do you think?